Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I'm so excited. Um, I'm here today to share a collaboration with Poetspice. It's her paper dolls for poet 2026. Um, she had extended her collaboration for another month, and I agreed to do it again. So we come on every Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and share our projects with you all of things that we paper piece together, either Julie Nutting dolls or colorized dies, or just dies in general that we haven't used, but you have to paper piece them together and you have to make something out of it. So I just bought this die set. No, I think it's been a while now, and I wanted to use it this month. I may switch it up. I may create a couple of these, or I might do it throughout the month. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I kind of want to do Julie Nutting dolls too, but anyway, that is on my list to do. So let me share what I'm planning to do. I bought this die set off of Amazon, and I loved it because it had so many critters you can create with these dies. And it's a lot of teeny tiny pieces. I don't think they're teeny tiny though, because when I opened up the dies, and these are the dies it comes with, I don't think it's that teeny tiny. This is the body. So the body is about 3 1/4. Okay. And then the head. So it's going to be like 4 inches by maybe 2.5, depending of what it is. So look at all these dies it comes with. I think it was like $7, $8 for it. It intrigued me. I'm not one for teeny tiny pieces, but this was really cute, and it comes with extra pieces. Like there's a doggy bone, there's a little fish, there's a banana. Look at this fish bone here. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then it has this little hi. So there's little pieces in here. I don't know what these are. I'm going to have to figure that out. Don't know what that is. Or I know that's the face that goes on the head. I don't know what it's just a lot of pieces that I don't know. This is the antlers, I think, for the deer. So it's really intriguing. This is like a tail. I have no idea what that is. I don't know what that is. This is the lion's mane. Here's some teeny tiny hearts. So these must be the shaker bits. So what it is a shaker animal set. So there's like these little shakers you can punch out with different colors and then put it in their little tummies. And I thought it was adorable. I just couldn't, I mean, I had to go back online to get this paper so I can figure out how to put them together. Because looking at all these pieces, you don't really know for sure. So I have this that I'm going to put with this. So I don't know which ones I want to put together. I think I want to do the giraffe, the bear. I kind of want to do them all. The reindeer. He looks fun. I don't know. So let me pause my video and I will be right back. Hi, everyone. I'm back. Okay, so I put these, I put two animals together, and let me share. It's so cute. Okay, so I used just regular scraps of cardstock from my stash. You know, I tried to do it as closely as I could. I think I did pretty good. This one doesn't show an actual shaker because there were a lot of bits and you can glue all these down, but I was like, And I might do that if I want something more flat because this is pretty dimensional and they're pretty big. So this is an A2 size card. And this is how big they are. I like it I'm thinking about putting this on a tag versus a card. Maybe the other one I'll put on a card. I used pretty thick, what do you call it? Foam. I think this is 5mm. And the dies cut the foam really well. I was quite surprised. It's going to, what do you call it? Flatten, but, it's super thick, so you don't want it too thick. But I love it. Look at it. It's so cute. And these little bits of shaker, I sold or I de-stash a lot of my shakers bits. I think I have a few like glitter no, I don't have a lot. I pretty much de-stashed my shaker stuff, but I had these. This I got from Michael's, and they're pretty flat. I don't know what they were called, but they're pretty, flat gems. Yeah, so I used that. The foam, I use Aleene's Felt and Foam Sticky Glue. I find it easier to use this type of glue with the foam because if you use regular glue, the acetate slides everywhere. It slides and it takes longer to dry. But the felt and foam tacky glue, and I've had this in my stash forever because I wasn't very good. I would get frustrated with shakers because the shaker bits would stick to the sides, and I used to get so, I was like, I don't want to do shakers. And that's why I got rid of all my shaker bits because I'm not very good. I do have a little bit here. I think I got this free. And I don't know. I don't have a lot, but that's okay because I don't do a lot of shaker cards anyway. So, but isn't he adorable? I created this. I created the giraffe because I just love giraffes, and then I created an elephant. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, he's a chub, but I love him. He is adorable. So yeah, that is my two shaker animals for poets. So that is, I think I screwed up my video. So thanks everybody for watching. These are my 2 projects for this week for hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026. Go check out the hashtag and check everybody's creations. I'm sure it's amazing. Yeah, this die set is going to be a lot of fun. It's huge, you know, but like if you're going to do cards, it can fit, but that's going to be your total focal. And it's definitely a shaker. This one's shake. I think it's really cute. I love these. These shake very well. So yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.